Yo, what's up with it, y'all? It's JD, travelsthenix, and I'm back with another quick video. And today's video is inspired from a channel that I watch based out of New York City called That's Good Money. And I've seen a lot of people doing this challenge where they see if they can do 50 pull-ups and 100 push-ups in less than 5 minutes. So let's see if I can do 50 pull-ups and 100 push-ups in less than 5 minutes. I actually already got finished doing it, so I know the answer to that question. But here's a video of me doing 50 and 100 right now. right, y'all. Didn't quite get the 50 and 100 in under 5 minutes, but around 6 minutes is not bad at all. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'm gonna keep trying this and see if I can get it under 50. Get the 50 and 100 under 5 minutes. I know my pull-ups was kind of like off on a couple of ones on the end. I'll probably say them as struggle ups, not pull-ups, but I'm gonna get that form down right too. So that's it for today's video. If you guys have any comments, leave them in the comment section. If you guys are interested in travel and fitness content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you guys are interested in a personalized training and diet plan, calisthenics, body weight training base, holler at me on my Instagram, that's @travelsthenix, or holler at me on my email, that's travelsthenix@yahoo.com. Both of those will be in the description box as well. I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.